There's one little datura blossom that's open. So sweet. Sometimes when we take Gray on a walk, Gray our Sheltie, we walk along under this pull line road. There tends to be less cactus and a good view. Way over there I see the campground. I'm going to zoom in for you. There's a couple campers. That's the state park. Definitely see the bighorn sheep over there. Yep, it's our walking trail. This palm tree looks dead, but it's just all the skirts lined up in the very top. It's green. However, these are not alive any longer.